To install the standalone command line version of Charon, you must have the .NET SDK version 8 or later. Open the Microsoft .NET SDK download website. Select your operating system and CPU architecture. Download the .NET SDK installer and complete the installation. If you are using Linux, look for the .NET SDK package provided for your distribution. After installation, reboot your computer. Start a new terminal session. Type the .NET Tool installation command to install Charon. Next, navigate to your project directory. Create a new game data file using the initialization command. This creates an empty JSON data file. Then, run the editor by passing the path to your game data file into the Charon tool command. Your default web browser will open automatically with the Charon user interface. Close the browser when you finish editing. You can generate source code for your game data from the dashboard. Press Generate Source Code, choose a language, and enter the generation parameters. Save the generated source code into your project. Your game can then load and use the data file through the generated code. If your game is written in a language not supported by Charon, use that engine's native JSON instruments to load the game data file directly. For more command line features, refer to the Charon documentation.